The Master's in Public Policy has been around for nearly 2 decades. It has grown significantly in student numbers and staff over the years. The program aims to equip students with policymaking knowledge about how the policymaking process works, but also with skills in policy analysis, primarily through our research methods and economics modules, so that students are well equipped to think about how to ask questions about the policy world and answer them as well. In the MSc in Public Policy, students will learn about the roles of different actors in the policymaking process, so what politicians do, what bureaucrats do, judges, interest groups, think tanks, voluntary sector organizations, all these different organizations, how they come together to influence the policymaking process. So alongside that, students will also learn about theories of the policymaking process, how policy is implemented, how bureaucrats implement public policy, how businesses are regulated, how the agenda is set, why certain issues get to the front of the agenda and others languish in obscurity. And students can also take a number of different electives in different subjects. They can specialize in different subjects such as healthcare, energy and climate change, international trade, British politics, and so on. Students get to showcase their knowledge of what they've specialized in, as well as their policy analysis skills, through a dissertation, which is an independently researched and written project with close supervision by a member of staff. The MSc in Public Policy is a special program not only because of the knowledge and policy analysis skills that students acquire, but students can also take advantage of the thriving environment at UCL, where they can attend different seminar series to supplement their knowledge, such as the Policy and Practice series of the Department of Political Science. The Global Governance Institute has a number of good events. The Constitution Unit has a number of events on British politics. In addition to what's going on at our own department, the Laws Department, Geography, Institute for Sustainable Resources, Institute for Global Health, all have their own seminar series as well, which we usually encourage students to attend because they have very interesting events and also supplement the interdisciplinary approach that students get used to at the Department of Political Science. Students can also participate in the International and Public Affairs Society, or IPAS, where they can help put on events for the whole department, and they can also help run the student-run journal, the International Public Policy Review, which puts out an issue usually once a year. In the Masters in Public Policy, we're looking for students with strong academic backgrounds. Work experience in the policy world is desirable but not essential. Good references are good to have, but generally we want students who are enthusiastic about policy making and can bring their own knowledge and curiosity to the program as well. At UCL, students will greatly benefit from the fact that they're studying in London and the wide networks available to them. These networks also help when looking for employment afterwards. Our graduates have gone on to jobs in a number of different sectors, in the public sector, in the private sector, and the voluntary sector, among others. Some of our graduates have gone on to work for the Cabinet Office, for the Department of Transport, for different local government institutions in England, private companies such as Serco, and voluntary sector organizations such as the National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children.